carriage restaurant, you can see.
Yeah.
The carriage is and was the most important wealth of the people in the countryside, because they were doing the work with this, they were bringing the wheat or whatever with this, they were going to the Holy Mass on the Sunday with the thing and everything.
Right.
And according to the wealth of the house, in the Hungarian law, there was the something that you had to pay. What is it called? It's a toll. Yeah. You had the gate toll. The biggest your gate was, the biggest toll you had to pay, because it means that you have a lot of things to bring inside with your carriage. And the wheels you can see here, it's in English it's wheel, but in many languages it's coach, or in Hungarian it's kocsi. It's because the resorts, the modern version was invented in Hungary, in the village of Kocs.
Yeah.
And this is why everyone afterwards is like hello, you know.
Yeah.
This is coach, kocsi, kocek.
Ah, interesting.